Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hemali here, and thank you so much for joining me today. I hope everyone has been keeping safe during this pandemic and social distancing and wearing their masks. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing some glitters that I got in the mail. I ordered these glitters a little while back and they finally came in and I'm so excited to use them. One of them is supposed to be this magic glitter that's supposed to disappear and appear in certain lights. So I'm just really excited to use them, and I'm going to be doing a little review for you guys. If you know me, you know that I absolutely love everything that's glittery, and when this package finally came in the mail today, I was so happy because I just wanted to put it all over my face. I ordered some glitters from a company called Lemonhead Los Angeles. This is the glitter I am super excited about. It's called the Spacepaste Illuminating Glitter Concentrate in Houdini. I saw this glitter in a TikTok and it was like a viral TikTok and it just looked so cool, and I was like, I need to get my hands on that. It honestly glitters so weird, like it disappears and appears again, and it just looks unreal. And because I was ordering stuff anyways, I thought I might as well just order some more glitters with it because I was paying for shipping. So I bought their Glow Jam Cosmic UV Glitter Balm set as well. This is like a bunch of minis, and they have a whole bunch of cool colors in there, and they glow under UV light. I'll give you guys a swatch of that too because there's so many fun colors in that set. All right, let me show you guys a close-up of this Houdini glitter because I already tried it on myself when the package came. I was like way too excited. I ripped the bag open and I already put it all over my hand, and it was just so cool. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in the actual pot. This is so pretty. Oh my god, like honestly the camera does not do it justice. I'm also gonna show you guys a swatch on my hand. It disappears and appears again. It is so cool. Like, what is happening? I've never seen glitter like this before. It is absolutely insane, and the way it sparkles is just so beautiful. So that's that one. I am so obsessed with it. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up of the other glitters that I got as well, and then I'm gonna do a look with this Houdini glitter because I just wanna put it all over my face. Okay, so these are the glitters from the Glow Jam collection. So this one is called Marina. This green one is called Palms. The yellow is called Electric Days. This one is called Holly Weird. And then the final one from this set is called Commando. These are all so freaking stunning. So here's what the glitters look like swatched. So stunning. And then they also glow under a UV light, and that's what Houdini looks like under a UV light. I don't think it's meant to glow under a UV light, but it still does, and it looks really cool. But I am obsessed. Hands down, these are like the coolest glitters I have ever owned, and the quality is really high too. Like when you pack it on, you can see the color beautifully, and the way it reflects is just so stunning. I mean, you guys could see that on the camera, but again, like I said, it really just, the camera doesn't do it justice. It's so much more prettier in person. Anyways, I'm gonna do my eyeshadow with the Houdini glitter and also use it as a highlight on my cheekbones. I'm gonna pop in a matte brown into my crease just to give my eyes some dimension. And then I'm gonna go in with a bit of a darker brown in the outer corner. Okay, now time to throw this on. Okay, so on the website it said to apply more and then take off whatever you don't need, just to get the best results. So that's what I'm going to do. I am obsessed. Oh my god. And it also said on the website to apply it with a synthetic brush, so a concealer brush. I'm actually using a nail art brush for this. Oh my god, hands down, this is just one of the coolest glitters ever. I'm literally just so in shock right now. Also, Beyonce wore this glitter, so if it's good enough for Beyonce, it's good enough for me. I'm also going to apply some on my cheeks just with my fingers because I want to see if it still works well with my fingers. And it does. Oh, so pretty. Ugh, hair. This is so pretty. This is just insanely, wow. Wow. I'm lost for words, guys. I am literally lost for words. I think I'm just gonna be like wearing this on my face every day because why not? Why not? It's like when I turn my head, it's there, but then when I go straight, it disappears. And then it's there, and then it disappears. And then it's there, and then it disappears. I'm gonna quickly throw on some liner and lashes and then give you guys the final look. All right, this is the final look. I guess it's safe to say I'm obsessed with it because it's literally all over my face right now. I'll let you guys look at it in all its glory. I'll do like an extra close-up too. I think it's pretty safe to say that I would highly recommend these glitters. Obviously, it's a way more of like a fun purchase. It really adds like something extra to your makeup. I know if I were to wear this out, and like obviously I can't wear it out anywhere to like actually prove this because of the pandemic, but I know if I were to wear this out, I would get so many compliments. These glitters are a little bit more on the expensive side if you live outside of the US. I know they had a promo going on their website. If you spend over $50 in the US, then you get free shipping. I don't know if that promo is still going on, but if you're outside the US, you are going to have to pay more in shipping. I live in Canada and I paid $20 in shipping, but honestly, it was also worth it. I love the other glitters that I got as well. I can't wait to do some funky looks with that. But yeah, that's all I have to say about these glitters, clearly, because I've already said how beautiful and stunning they are throughout this entire thing. Anyways, if you did like this video, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys constantly show me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!